Vidya Balan hates working with Shahid Kapoor. Talented Bollywood actress Vidya Balan is now happily married to producer Siddharth Roy Kapur. But before getting married to the producer, Vidya was in a serious relationship with a famous Bollywood actor. Well, the famous actor was none other than Shahid Kapoor, who has dated many Bollywood actresses. These two stars do not want to work with each other ever, and there is much hatred between the two of them. Let us find out the reasons why they broke up and why they hate each other so much. Post his breakup with Kareena Kapoor, Shahid dated many Bollywood actresses and Vidya Balan was one of them. Shahid never publicly accepted his relationship with Vidya Balan, but the actress has publicly said about it. Their relationship started from the sets of their movie Kismat Konnection. Shahid and Vidya also moved in together and they started having a live-in relationship. But their relationship was a brief one as there were several fallouts between these two stars. Back then, none of these two stars were as successful as they are right now in the industry. Because of his chocolate boy nature, Shahid dated many Bollywood actresses and famous personalities like Sania Mirza. Vidya has revealed many secrets of Shahid and her relationship recently in an interview with a leading daily. The actress has revealed that she never wants to work with Shahid Kapoor and she hates the actor. The actress said that they were in a brief relationship that ended because of Shahid's rude behavior towards her. Vidya is elder than Shahid Kapoor and because of this, Shahid's family was not happy with his link-up with Vidya. The Bollywood actress has revealed that the Kabir Singh actor took her for granted and was not serious about the relationship. Vidya Balan tried too hard to fit into Shahid's life but the actor was not interested to commit to her. Vidya even revealed that their relationship was toxic one as Shahid often made bad remarks about her appearance. She added that Shahid always found fault in her and always behaved badly with her. This made Vidya very sad and she was broken and confused that led her to depression. The Kahaani actress also added that Shahid always tried to put her down and make her feel low. The actor even made remarks on her clothes and weight and because of that, she started feeling then that the fault was in her. Later when Vidya's mother talked with her, she realized that she needs to walk out of that relationship. Later when she was told that Shahid does not want to work with her, she added that she also does not want to work with him. She revealed that it is Shahid's loss if he denies to work with her. Vidya also added that she hated Shahid Kapoor. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.